The night is cold, but we are warm here by the fire, my love.
The stew is almost ready, little one. Are you warm enough by the fire?
Yes, Mother. It is very warm.
Watch your step here, son. The snow's deep.
I know, but it's so much fun.
Be careful near the fire, little ones. We will eat soon. Be careful when you play near the fire, little ones. This coat will be ready soon.
Make sure you get all the sinew off this section. It must be clean for the tanning process.
Look at that roast. It smells incredible.
Best Christmas dinner ever.
I agree.
The spirits have blessed our hunt. Come, eat. There is enough for everyone tonight.
The stew is almost ready, little one. It smells delicious, doesn't it?
Yes. When can we eat?
I found fresh tracks near the river today. We will eat well tomorrow.
That is good news. He is very happy.
Here, drink this.
Thank you, my love.
The spirits favor the brave. We must hunt now while the sun is high.
Eat well, my friends. There is enough for everyone tonight.
The wind carries the voices of our ancestors. Listen closely, my children, and you will learn the secrets of the forest.
So the hunter tracked the great moose for 3 days, only to find it asleep right outside his teepee.
Eat up, my loves. It will keep you warm tonight.
It is very good, Mother.
He thought he had the fastest sled dog, but the squirrel proved him wrong.